now, as Mr.
Yeah, yeah,
Abdelkrim
sure,
had
sure.
some issue with his connection, so he will join later. So
Yeah.
let me introduce myself first. My name is Mohammed Al Munayr. I'm the activation team leader, and this is Mu'min Morsi, the operation of the activation manager. So we can start.
Okay. So I just wanted to have a quick chat with you guys. As you may have seen in the email, my support team informed me that some of the clients that come through Twirlo are the PLBB process is becoming an issue because the client's email ID or the client's individual person identity is sort of masked by your email ID per se. And I believe some cases where they were told that Meta informed us that some of the informations are not authentic or accurate to what the business the client has been doing. So I wanted to understand, like, first understand why the client's email ID is becoming an issue for you guys to like provide us, because this becomes a part of the process of doing the PLBV, at least from our side. And if there is something that we can help you with, so that we can continue doing the PLBV process and help you get the PLBV done for your clients.
All right, Mr. Gerson. So let me recap the issue here, or what we are discussing. We are discussing the providing the email ID of the customer himself, of the business owner. You mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So how you would like to receive this? Like we have cases already done through the PLPV process, and
Mm-hmm.
that the requirements were already fulfilled through the customer, or through our
So
guidance to the customer,
yeah.
because our
Mm-hmm.
customer here would like to have his business verified. So
Right.
after, we of course, like, they are not aware of all the meta process.
I
So
understand. I understand. I understand. Yeah.
yeah, so we will have to guide them, and sometimes we get into a meeting with them,
Right.
explain how to apply through 360 dialog account, or what are the data needed, and they would send this template to you. So this you might
Good.
have been through
Uh,
with us.
I also wanted to understand, like, are you guys hosting your own embedded sign up? If so, and I think you guys are, I don't know, maybe you can confirm. If you are doing that, then you can simply pass on that info by via an API call. That would suffice, because we just need the identity so that we can make sure that all the information, all the current information are being provided to Meta, so that this process can be verified from their end. I think Momen wanted to say something.
Yes, just I
Yeah.
want to clarify about how to the onboarding process, how it's going with our customers. Okay, can I
Right,
share my
right, right.
screen?
Yeah, exactly what I wanted to understand. Please go ahead.
Yes. Okay. So to be honest, this presentation is in Arabic, but we translate to English to can communicate with each other. Okay. So the first
Yeah, yeah,
step.
no problem. No
Uh,
problem. That works.
so the first step, we told the client we need to go with our platforms at app.azir.com, which I think
Mm-hmm.
is here. Okay. For sure, it's a new platform for the client, so he need to log out. Sorry, I will translate to English. Okay, so we inform him to sign up here and choose the email which he want to communicate and want to log into the platform and want to add, want to connect his number. So he will choose the email. Okay, and from here,
Right.
and add the WhatsApp number want to add, create his
Yeah.
own password and sign up. For example,
Yeah.
I am creating a new for test for this meeting. Let me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this is for example he test activation. We inform him that he need to go for setting channels. Okay, and choose the embedded sign up which we agreed with about partners a solution partners with you. So we create this embedded link sign up. He will choose 360 and Twirlo, continue, choose his only Facebook and connect the number. Okay. After that,
Right.
he receive a confirmation email that he confirms that he need to log in to his own platform to confirm the platform and to can create or can join a 360 account. Okay, so the embedded sign up started with creating an account with the client email, which is, could be Gmail, Outlook, and so on. The client he need to decide who will respond for the chats and so on. Okay, that's not be necessary the owner email or the client email. Okay, this is this is a summary about how we import. This is the steps. You can check it in
Right.
here. Okay.
But when they actually onboard to Meta, right, they'll be using the same email ID which they would need to onboard to WhatsApp, right? So that email ID would probably be the person's admin access ID.
Not to be honest, not necessary to do it because he need only to get login and password for the or access for the only Facebook, but he can use a different email to sign up to can join the platform. Many of customers have email to the one who have marketing team who have authority to control or business manager, and different team who has support team he can respond to the clients and so on. So it 90% it will be different. Okay, that we are our experience with our customers that doesn't have more knowledge about English, how to deal the even the simple sign up process. They are authorized to us to do it instead of him.
Oh,
Some of
everything.
cases,
No, I understand in Middle East,
yes.
there are that sort of issues. I've heard this from some other partners as well. I understand that. I just wanted to make sure,
Uh-huh.
that the information. So what happens is, when we send this information to Meta, right, they flat out reject the PLBV,
Mhm.
and it also affects the credibility of the PLBV system for 360. So I just wanted to make sure that from your side, whenever maybe give them a nudge to understand that why they need the official email ID. It's just so that everything can be done via the process. I have no doubt that you guys are, saying it, and you probably would be doing it as well, because since you've been a partner with 360 for many years now, right?
Yes.
And we understand this. I've spoken to Abdullah like a year back on a different topic. Every single time whenever I was in 360, I've always been a part or in contact with Twello. So I just wanted to give you just a quick, sort of an info that this has come to us. This is sort of raised from Meta saying that this issue is there. So please make sure that the partner provides the correct email ID, and just wanted to relay the same information to you guys as well.
ماهر هو وافق ولا ايه؟ انا مش فاهم.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, great, and we know we are partners from many years, and we are glad and proud about this part, Mr. Qasim. That's why we are contact you to can arrange for something. Do you know there is a reference case? Okay, I one of your support team, Omar, I think, he sent a confirmation to the email which exists in the client website, but the client doesn't have any English. Okay, so he respond just
Uh,
one single word. Okay, he doesn't understand what this mean or what this email to confirm what. That's why we are sometimes arrange with our customer to meeting or can share the credential with us to apply instead of him.
okay. Okay, I understand. I'll make sure that
نعمل invite.
I also communicate this to my team. But then just from your side, I've also got this, sometimes that the client may produce the documents which is required for PLVV. It might not be the same document for the business. Might be some other different documents, right?
Oh,
So yeah, so that is something which we need to sort of be very careful on. So whenever they apply for the PLBB process, make sure that they produce the accurate and authentic documentation, so that even if, let's say, there is some issue, that this doesn't become like a completely another serious issue, right?
Yes, sure.
Emails